Okay, in this lesson, we're going to talk about estimating and confidence intervals. So we start with a graph that's got price and time, and then we plug in our data, and remember that the data itself are facts. And from this data, we can estimate a trend line, and let's say maybe that's what it looks like through there. Uh, when we remove the facts and just are left with the estimate, it looks like we have a pretty strong relationship between price and time. However, once we also consider the standard error on the estimate, that then gives us the range, and then we also have to estimate the confidence interval, which is the standard error times the t-score that we have calculated. Our confidence interval looks like this. And here's the problem. The slope of that line originally was this upward slope, but once we think about that confidence interval, that slope can range within that interval. So it can slope this way, it can slope that way. Note that when it sloped downward, it actually went through a slope of 0. Therefore, we cannot conclude with any confidence that that slope is not 0, since our range is from this very positive to a negative range. So we reject this hypothesis that the slope is not 0, because our confidence interval shows us that the slope in fact could be 0. Hopefully that makes sense.